What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. This time I'm doing Apple CarPlay Android 13 for the Honda Civic Si H-Gen. You guys buy one of these off eBay or Amazon. So I didn't see too many videos on how to install this. But what you do is you cut this wire right here, which is the amp, the last one, and then you get which is this one right here, you get that one, and then you splice it into this red wire, as you can see right there, which is this connector that comes with it. Splice it into that, and then the other red wire, you splice it into that as well. And then over here, this blue wire, as you can see, you splice it into that as well. And then that's about it. And your premium sound system should work. So another look at it. This one does not need to be connected at all. You just leave that dangling. Alright guys, just a quick video. Decided it might help somebody out there with this same Android. They buy it off eBay or Amazon and they're wondering how to install it and you have no sound. That's the solution. Hope that helps anybody out there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.